This video explains the unboxing and usage tutorial for the HS8 monitor. After receiving the monitor, please check if the packaging is intact and if all accessories are included. The HS8 supports power supply via NPF batteries and through the DC interface. When using the battery, please make sure to align the NPF battery with the battery slot and snap it in. After the battery is snapped in, the latch will automatically lock. If you need to remove this battery, please press the battery lock and then pull out the battery. When you are using the DC interface for power supply, please note that the input range of the DC power supply should be 7V to OV. The HS8 supports signal input and output for both HDMI and SDI. You can select the interface according to the device you are using. When using the HDMI signal, please connect one end of the cable to the HDMI port of the camera and the other end to the HDMI in port located on the right side of the bottom. For SDI signals, connecting one end of the SDI cable to the SDI port of the camera and the other end to the SDI in port located on the left side of the bottom. Turn on the switch located at the top of the monitor. When powering it on for the first time, the screen loading time will be relatively long, so please be patient. If the monitor does not display the camera image, please check whether the HDMI cable is correctly connected to the HDMI in port of the monitor, or verify whether the SDI cable is correctly plugged into the SDI in port of the monitor. Also, check whether the monitor has been switched to the connected video feed. Press the input button on the monitor to switch between the HDMI image and the SDI image. If all the above operations are correct, please check the resolution output by the camera to see if the monitor supports it. Please change the camera's output resolution to automatic or 1080p. When the problem of the monitor's displayed image not filling the screen or the camera's screen go in black occurs, please turn off the camera's display settings, and then you can get a normal image displayed. The native resolution output by the camera does not affect the shooting and storage specifications of the camera itself. Adjusting the resolution is to be compatible with the output device for monitoring and does not affect the image quality of the files. The HS8 is exclusively managed via physical buttons. Here's the breakdown. When the menu is not called up, turning the menu roller allows you to select 12 monitoring functions such as focus assist, zebras, false colors, and Luma waveform. After selecting a function, pressing the menu can turn the function on and off. Long pressing the menu can enter the parameter editing interface of the function. Press the exit button to exit the function selection, and press the menu button to enter the settings menu. On this page, you can set the basic picture parameters, input, output, screen rotation, shortcut key function bindings, system settings, and 3D LUT. By selecting the shortcut keys, you can set the functions corresponding to each shortcut key on the monitor. After binding the function, pressing the corresponding shortcut key on the monitor can quickly turn the function on or off. Selecting 3D LUT allows you to load different LUT effects onto the picture. There are built-in LUTs in the device. You can also import other LUT effects onto the monitor by using the included USB flash drive or a USB flash drive with USB 2.0 specification with a capacity of less than 64 GB and a file system format of FAT32 or FAT. The maximum number of imports is 20. And the format of the imported LUT file must be in cube format. Insert the USB flash drive into the USB interface of the monitor, and you can start importing the LUT. You can check the relevant tutorial videos for the import steps. The HS8 comes with an NPF power supply system, which supports NPF power supply for the wireless video transmitter. And you can adjust the horizontal and vertical directions of the power supply system, making it convenient for you to adjust the mounting posture of the wireless video transmitter. The above is all the content of the unboxing and usage tutorial of the HS8 monitor.